All right, welcome back. So this is gonna be like a part two. This was my last video on my like back testing, bro. 82% win rate, bro. I just went absolutely crazy. So let's just do it again, bro. I mean, I actually really enjoyed doing these type of videos, and bro, at the same time, bro, it's educational. So why wouldn't I like it? Anyways, let's get right into it though. We'll do random dates, so you know, brand new, blah 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 blah. Yeah, okay, let's get right into it. All right, so this, if you are interested in like learning the way I trade, why I take the trades, all that good stuff, well, this is literally the video for you. So first thing coming into the day, first thing I want to look at is we obviously have a swing low. We have a swing low. Okay, I'll just count that. What are we doing on the daily? We are respecting this fair value gap. Very nice. Let's go down to a 4 hour. What are we doing? Obviously in a downtrend, respecting bearish, disrespecting bullish. Yeah, okay. So let's go down to the hourly. Very strong downtrend. London, we swept out Asia high. And with New York, we're having distribution. Okay, let's go to New Day Open first of all. Okay, this is New Day Open. What? No, it's not. It's not New Day Open. Okay. Once again, what are we doing? Hourly, still in a very strong downtrend. Okay, I'd expect New York to open low. I'd want to see us have a push lower. What would be honestly very nice? Oh my god, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tweaking out. What would be very nice is if we can have this distribution a bit higher, tap inside of this gap, and then continue lower, which doesn't look like it looks like we're gonna get it. Bro, I'm actually crazy. Oh my god. 5 minute, we're also respecting it. I want the 15 minute to wick this. If we can wick it, that would be very nice. I don't know. This is a very strong distribution higher. We might not even have the pushback lower. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think we will. No, we won't. Wow, we actually did, but we didn't even respect the 15. That's tough. Okay, 11 o'clock, new day open. Let's go. All right, daily, what are we doing still? What's our draw on liquidity? No. Okay, we have this daily gap right up here. This can be draws. Overall, though, we are still very much bearish on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what are we doing? Oh yeah, I'm bad about the background, bro. I'm cleaning my bed sheets. Still bearish. Hourly. We have this swing at this high. We flipped. Okay. Lower time frame, we're slightly bullish, honestly. Okay, this can honestly be a push higher. Yeah. Where's EQ of the range? There we go. That's the top into EQ. Also respecting the 15. We are going to respect it. Okay, if we can flip this, this will be nice. Yeah, if we can flip this, I'll take this. Bop, like just like that. Butter. Stop loss at these lows. Take profit. 1-to-1. Right? 15. What are we doing? 15, there's not much info right now. The 5 minute though, we wick this. Yeah, I'll take it. There you go. Give me the TP. Are you serious? No way, bro. We literally just wick TP. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy work, bro. Wow. Okay. This is very much in a discount right now, so gotta be careful here. This is very much in a discount. But the 15 is respecting it, so. Okay, this can be a re-entry, honestly. We have relative equals at these highs now. Very strong draws on liquidity. Stop loss at these lows. Honestly, might just fucking shoot for the sky over here. Honestly, take partials here. Take off 50%. Let the rest ride. Just because we're tapping inside of this fair value gap over here. So if we end up respecting it, which looks like we might, honestly. Come on, there we go. Beautiful. We literally wick the 15, bro. When we wick gaps, it's so fucking powerful. Look at that wick. Beautiful manipulation, fair value, inversion, market structure, entry. Kind of a long trade, but yeah, it's like a 41-minute trade. That's nuts. Okay, new day open. Let's go. So we ended up taking out that daily. Was it the daily? No, it wasn't the daily. Oh, but okay, we're tapping inside of the daily gap I was talking about before, last session. Okay, so we're tapping in this. We can either respect it, or we can just have a full body closure through it. So this is kind of an iffy area on the day to trade. But overall, we are still in a very strong uptrend. Hourly is gonna really tell us over here. Honestly, might have a trade on the hourly. We can have a push lower, tap inside of EQ. I wouldn't mind taking this. Let me just mark this out over here, just in case we end up tapping into it. Okay, let's go to 15. What are we doing for sessions? Sessions. I wouldn't mind a little push lower, and then after overall push higher. Let's see if we can even get that though. You might just flush higher. Yeah, we are just flushing higher. Come on, tap EQ at least, bro. Don't just run. Not the best PA for this day. Yeah, bro, literally nothing. Okay, what are we doing on daily? Yeah, okay, it's kind of indecision, honestly, right now. Still haven't fulfilled it, so still hypothetical on what can happen. This is pretty much the gap on the lower time frame. 4 hour respecting bullish still. On the hourly. Inside of these gaps. Swing high can be targets. Do have lots of low resting liquidity over here. Trendline liquidity, some like to call it. We didn't tap into EQ just yet over here. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. We're a little bearish today. Yeah. Lots of low resting liquidity. London consolidated. New York took out London high. I want to see that push lower. We can get a retrace. Form of a retrace into the zone. Okay. Something to be a little careful about over here. Gotta be really careful here. This can really flip against us quickly. Still have 2 minutes left. So this is going to be a closure for sure. We have this 5-minute inversion. 5 minute. It's going to close in 2 minutes. This candle closed. Okay, I'll just make the 5. So 1, 2. Okay, I'll take this now. This confirmation. Stop loss will be kind of tight. Just aim for a 1-to-1. Why did I do that little tap 2 times there? Just to make the 5-minute closure. And, oh, not the 4 hour. The 4-minute closure as well. Anyway, okay, we're already in the trade, so let's go. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. Beautiful. 1-to-1. Could have left the runner, honestly, but let's go. Okay. I don't really think anything else is gonna happen over here. I'm just gonna continue flushing, right? New day open. New day open. New day open. Daily time frame. What are we doing? We have swing Well, we have relative equals actually, so that's very nice. Draw on liquidity. We have a little gap. We have a little gap, okay. Okay, 4 hour. So it looks like we ended up respecting that daily and now we're pushing lower. 4 hour, what are we doing on the 4 hour? We flipped. It looked pretty bearish. Okay, yeah. I want to see us continue pushing lower. That's nice. Okay, let's go to 15. 15 session profile is just fucking chopped. Holy shit, man. Honestly, might just see a flush lower. Can we get like an open entry? I don't think so. We can sweep out. Yeah, okay. We're not gonna even get an entry. Oh my god, bro. I know we're gonna flush lower though. I don't want to miss this trade. Not even, bro. Really just... Okay, there we go. A little bit of chop, but we ended up flushing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Chill, daddy, chill. Entry? Where's my entry? Give me my entry, bro. Don't fuck around. 1. Oh, but we didn't even close the inversion. 1, 2. Okay, we closed the inversion now. A little dangerous because we have this fair value gap under. I would still take the trade, but I just go low risk, honestly. This would be a low risk trade if it was on my live accounts. This would be a low risk trade if it was on my live. Yeah. So we ended up respecting the 1 minutes over here. Continue session. Let's go. Daily, what are we doing? Still relative equals. Still pushing for relative equals. Still bearish, still bearish. Lots of trendline liquidity though. I don't like that. Oh, January price action, of course. Could honestly see a push higher on open, to be honest. I hope I'm wrong though. Come on. Tap inside that gap. Come on. What the fuck? How is it already in Asia session? We're like barely even trading in New York. Sweeping out the highs. Okay, we're still bearish, bro. Okay, open is going to be a push lower. This is the highest gap. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Honestly, I'd want to wait for this gap to close just to be certain. Is this the 1-to-1? Should already be at break even. Yeah, that's the 1-to-1. Okay, we're just gonna tap TP, obviously. Okay. Now we're just gonna flush lower. We're gonna take out those relative equals, right? There's not even an entry for me to want to take again. Okay, I'm not tapping relative equals. Okay, so relative equals got taken. Lots of trendline liquidity. Lots of trendline liquidity here too, though, which kind of got broken. So, okay. Anyways, I think that's gonna be that for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. This is a part 2 version. I'm probably gonna make a part 3, bro. I actually really like making these videos, and I'm good at them. So why the fuck not? If you do want to learn the strategy one-on-one with me, I do have a course down below. Go check it out. It's not expensive, bro. I try not to be an asshole to charge like 3K for that shit. It's like 36 bucks, 35. So yeah, I also live trading it. I have 10 hours of plus recorded videos. Go check it out. Peace. And also if you need some discounts to funded brokers, down below also.